The National Weather Service in Medford has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Douglas County in southwest Oregon until 5:45 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing nickel-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles southeast of Canyonville, or 26 miles north of Grants Pass, and moving north at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Myrtle Creek. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Douglas County in southwest Oregon,